Are you looking to get a great cardio workout without having to go on a long bike ride or run for miles on a treadmill? If so, then high knees are an excellent option. For starters, you don't need any equipment or a gym membership to do high knees. But what exactly are high knees? High knees are a type of cardio-intensive exercise performed at a fast pace. This exercise gets your heart rate up, engages your core, strengthens all the muscles in your legs, and improves your flexibility, momentum, and coordination. Since it has many physical benefits, high knees are incorporated into lots of workout routines. They are also a convenient exercise to perform because they can be practiced anywhere. High knees are beneficial if you do endurance training and running. They are also useful when it comes to strengthening all the muscles in our body to make our daily activities easier. This type of exercise can prepare you for any event or sport that requires walking, running, or jogging. So, what is the proper way to do a high knees workout? To do high knees, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Then, lift your left knee to your chest. Next, switch to lift your right knee to your chest. Continue the movement alternating your legs and moving at a sprinting or running pace. Don't worry if you can't lift your knees that high or go that fast. Bring them as high as you can and move at a slow and comfortable pace until you can go faster and higher over time. See how simple that is? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. High knees are an excellent addition to other high-intensity movements and exercises. They are a great way to keep your heart rate elevated during high-intensity interval training. You can also perform them while running in place, which requires minimal space. Basic HIIT workouts often include one interval of high knees for 30 seconds on, followed by 30 seconds of rest. If you want to increase the intensity of your training, you can increase the duration of exercise time and decrease the duration of rest time. There are also specific muscle groups that are worked during high knees, and these include the glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, core, and hip flexors. When you perform the exercise regularly, you can build endurance and significant strength within these particular muscle groups. Now, let's look at the benefits of high knees. It's a cardio boost. No matter how you do high knees, you're going to get a great cardio workout. If you're warming up or just beginning to exercise, keep your knees lower and go slower. But if you want higher intensity and are capable of going harder, lift your knees higher and try going faster. Anything in between is also great, of course. Works your core and lower body. With high knees, your legs are moving and getting stronger. This exercise is simply running fast in place, and we know that running is an excellent leg exercise. As you get your knees higher, you also engage your core muscles, making it good for training your core strength. No equipment needed. You can do high knees right at home. There's no need to head into bad weather or go to the gym. You also don't need dumbbells, kettlebells, or a stability ball. To do high knees, you simply find some space and get moving with your own body. So, if you really don't feel like jogging for hours on end or simply have little time to spare, high knees are one of the best ways to improve your heart health and tone your muscles. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.